This was my best trading month ever, and it wasn't by luck. There were no secret signals I was taking, no secret indicators I was using. It was just the way that I approached the market and how I was able to track every single move that I made. And of course, the Champagne model. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what that looks like and how me and the members of my team were able to collectively bring in over $80,000 in profits this month. Let's get into it. All right, so let's just talk about what made this month so different. I've had winning months before, so this wasn't my first time having a 5-figure month, but this month was special. This month was special because I told the members in my group at the beginning of the month that I want to fully lock in. I want to be focused for 30 days straight, off the charts and on the charts, and they got a front row seat to see exactly what that looks like. Every single trade that I take, I call out live to my group so they can understand why I'm about to take the trade I take, and I do a trade breakdown after the trade is complete so that everybody is learning the Champagne model in real time. And the students in my group, they just been going crazy this month. They've been getting better and better at trading the model, and it's really changing their life. So there were a lot of things I did this month to make sure that I was staying focused, that I was staying locked in, because trading is a game that if you make one simple mistake, it can cost you everything if you're not on top of your risk management. If you're not on top of your A game mentally when you come to the charts, it can easily cause you to crash out and undo like months worth of progress in one trade. So if you don't want that to happen, you got to be fully focused when you come to the market, because the market doesn't care about what you got going on. If you got stuff going on in life that's affecting your performance on the charts, the market really doesn't have any sympathy for you. So you got to make sure that you're locked in. So what's different about this month compared to the other ones? It wasn't technical. It was all mental. I approached the market different every day. I journaled every single trade I took, the emotions, the progress, every single step of the way. And I was a lot more patient this month. The Champagne model already has built-in confluences that make you patient, but this month I was really patient when it comes to trading certain market conditions. I'm a risky type of trader. Now, this isn't financial advice, but I like to take risk in the market. I know that losing is the cost of doing business, so I'm okay with that. I accept what comes with whatever risk I take. And if you don't have that type of mindset, then you're going to be emotional every time things don't work out in your favor. So this month, before every session, I did a personal check-in with myself. Every morning I would wake up, I would go through my routine, and I would make sure that I was right mentally. If my mindset wasn't positive, if I wasn't in a space to where I knew I can be a disciplined trader, then I wouldn't trade that day. I would just skip it and come back the next day. And that helps me out so much, because my final boss has always been not over trading, not trading bad market conditions. Because I'm gonna tell you this, the better you get at reading the market, the harder it's gonna be to not get in there and try to make some money, because more times than not, you know where price is going. So even though price may be moving slow, it's still gonna go to the destination that you think it's gonna go to. But we can't let that get in the way of the things that's out of our control. If the market is slow, it don't matter how good you are at reading the market or how good your strategy is. The price delivery is going to cause you to be emotional, and you also may get stop hunting as well. So in that case, you would be taking unnecessary losses trying to catch A+ setups in slow market conditions. And that's just a recipe for disaster. So this month, I made sure that I paid careful attention to when the price delivery was actually good versus when it was actually bad. Remember, you don't need 20 trades a day. You just need a few good, high quality setups every week to be a consistently profitable trader. So another big reason for my current trading success is the fact that I use a trading journal. This is TradeZella. I've been using them for a little bit over a year now, and journaling my trades has taken my trading to the next level. Every single trade that I take, I call live in front of my group. I post live footage of the trade on my Instagram, and I track my P&L day by day across all of my social medias. Since I've been using TradeZella, this has helped me to realize some of my bad habits, and I'm able to get rid of those bad habits and focus on replacing those with good habits that's going to have a positive impact on my trading career. I was having a therapy session with my therapist, and he was just talking to me about how most people are just moving through life and they're unaware of whatever's making them react to certain situations the way that they're reacting. And the same thing goes for trading. If you're emotional when you're in certain trades, if you feel certain feelings, there's a reason that you specifically feel that way. So until you're aware of what's making you feel that way, you're never going to be able to improve. You can't grow without awareness. And it's the same way off the charts that it is on the charts. If you don't know why you're losing trades, if you don't know why you're over trading, if you don't recognize the pattern of bad habits that's making you crash out, you're never going to be able to improve on them. You're just going to wake up every day, go to the charts, go through the motion, and you're going to wonder why you're not improving on your trading. You're going to wonder why your results are staying the same or getting worse. Once I started using TradeZilla to track my P&L every single day, it held me accountable. Calling trades in front of people makes me accountable. So I can't really be doing stupid stuff in the charts when I know that it's people that's looking forward for me to lead by example. And I think every single person that trades needs to have some type of way to be held accountable, whether you have an accountability partner or you're just calling trades in front of people, your community, a friend you have, or even if you have a mentor that you're checking in with day by day to make sure you can discuss how you felt in the trade, the good that you did and the bad that you did. In my opinion, everyone should be journaling their trades. I didn't start journaling my trades until maybe my 5th year in trading, and I wish I had done it sooner. It instantly shows you who you are. It's like looking in the mirror. You get to see all of your bad habits and your good habits, so you know exactly which habits you need to get rid of and which habits you need to keep improving on. So shout out to TradeZilla. If you do want to use this platform, you can use the code CT10 for 10% off every month. Or if you want to save on the yearly price, you can use the code CT20 to save 20%. So let's just check out some of my stats for the month. You can see this is my total P&L right here, $34,000, 684. You can see my trade win percentage is 73%. I had 22 winning trades and I had 1 break even and I had 8 losing trades. I would say about probably like 4 to 6 of these losing trades or break even trades that I just cut a little bit under break even. My profit factor was 4.21. My day win rate was 92.86%. I had 13 winning days and 1 losing day. And then my average win-loss trade percentage is 1.53. You can see average win $2,000, the loss around 1.3. And then my TradeZilla score is 89.14. So I was able just to have a really good month this month. You can look through my trades here and you can see that a lot of my trades, I'm like one and done, 100%, 2 trades, 100%. I was really focused this month. I'm not even gonna lie. I was really just trying to take only high quality A+ champagne models. I wasn't thinking about the money. I was just thinking day by day, let's just be patient and execute this model because it's giving you the results you want before. And I fully trust and believe in my system. If you don't trust and believe in your system, then you're not gonna be as confident when it comes to executing. And for me, being a scalper, that's a huge thing. So you can see I didn't really try to get greedy. These days here on last Tuesday and last Wednesday, these were tough days. We had Powell speaking in the AM on both days. I knew it would be tough going into it, but this is the thing. When you have experience to know when the market conditions are most likely to be slow, you can avoid those conditions, or if you choose to trade them, you can adjust your expectations. I adjusted my expectations on these 2 days because I knew it would be slower price action. So I wasn't being greedy. I wasn't trying to hold trades forever. I was taking small losses and break evens. So I did come out on top, even though here I had a losing day. And it just is what it is. That's the cost of doing business. Sometimes you're going to have losing trades. You're going to have losing days. Overall, as long as you win more trades than you lose, and every trade that you win is bigger than you lose, it's never really going to be an issue. So every single trade that I've taken here live with my team is actually in my Discord right here. So if you're in my group, you can actually go through since the day that I opened my group and see every single trade that I've taken. You can see the breakdowns for them. They have the screenshots here, so you can learn from all of my trades. The wins and the losses are all in my group. So yeah, I had some pretty clean trades this month. Look at this. This is clean. Just a lot of good trading days. You know, I didn't try to do too much. I just took what came to me. Pause. whatever the market gives me is what I took. I didn't try to be greedy this month. I just focused on my A+ setups. And if you look through this section, you can see that all my trades for the Champagne model are the same exact type of trades at the same exact times every single day. So once you have a good system that you can believe in and rinse and repeat, that's what's going to lead you to being a profitable trader. And it's not only going to make you a profitable trader, it's going to make your psychology way better. You're not going to have as much pressure to win every single trade when you know you can trust in a system that's going to give you the results you want over a longer period of time. You should be thinking over time, not overnight. So not only did I have a good month, my team had an amazing month. You can just see some of the testimonials here. $300,000 Apex account. What else do we got? We got a $40,000 payout in the group. So this person's been with me probably since I opened the group, and you can see that he's now getting a $40,000 payout with Apex, and this is real money. These are real people. This is real money. This is life-changing stuff. You can see he gets another $300,000 Apex account. So he got $600,000 in funding this week. The team is just going crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Here's a payout from her. She's been grinding. This is the Forex broker that I use, Hanko X. So you can see, look at her. She got a payout from Tradovate and Hanko. So from Forex and Future, she got a payout, and her payout got approved in under 3 hours. So she was able to come into the market, deposit money to her broker, take A+ setups, and then she was able to get a deposit in 3 hours. That's just amazing. It's just a lot of people that got withdrawals this month, and that the group just did really well. So I'm excited to see what the future holds for the group. We just been killing it. There's a $3,000 payout right there with FTMO. This is all this month. Here's a payout with Top Step. The team just been going crazy. I'm not gonna lie. We got traders getting called up to trade live on Top Step. This is just amazing. The Champagne model has been changing lives, and it's all because of the work we put in. It's not like these people aren't just taking my signals. They're actually taking these trades themselves. And I'm going to teach people how to fish. In my Discord, I teach people how to be self-sufficient traders so they don't have to depend on my signals. I want you to develop a skill that you can have for life. There's an Apex 50K. This was just a great month all around. So we got withdrawals from everywhere, all over the country, all over the world. The students in the group have just been going crazy. I'm proud of them. There's a $1,000 withdrawal right there, June 9th. I'm proud of them, and it's only going to keep going up. We're only going to keep getting better and better at trading this model. So if you're looking to join a community with a bunch of like-minded traders who trading a consistently profitable model, make sure you click that link in the description, join the team. But I'm gonna be honest with you, you got to come ready to work. Ain't no half stepping around here. We all going hard. We're all 100% dedicated. So if you're looking for a community to hold you accountable and one that you can grow with, make sure y'all tap in. So where do we go from here? I'm going to keep trading the Champagne model. If you want to learn more about that model, make sure you click the link in my description to join my community, or you can just look through my social media. I have plenty of videos on how I trade these markets, and I'm gonna just be doubling down on everything I'm already doing. I'm gonna make sure that I'm focused on being patient when it comes to market conditions. I'm gonna keep journaling my trades with TradeZilla. I'm gonna stay accountable, and I'm gonna keep leading by example with my group. My community, they hold me accountable, I hold them accountable, and we all just grow and get better together. I'm also going to be launching some new tools inside the Discord so that I can speed up people's learning curve. In the famous words of Kobe Bryant, job's not finished. We halfway through the year, so we got to make sure that we stay locked in, and we got to finish the year strong. So if this video helped you, or you were able to find some value in it, make sure that you drop a comment and let me know where you are in your trading journey. Let me know what difficulties you're having in the market, and let me know also what's been helping you succeed in the market. Make sure y'all like this video so the algorithm sends it to more traders that need to see it. And until the next video, out.